Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to configure customer account registration in Odoo. Customer account using this feature for an e-commerce enables you to manage customers very easily, control access to the shop, the checkout or the customer portal, and supports both B2B, which is business to business, or B2C, business to customer operations. After logging in, customers can access their customer portal by clicking their username in the top right corner of the screen and selecting my account. From there, they can view all their documents in one place, such as quotations, orders, invoices, and more. The customer account page can be customized with building blocks and other features throughout the website editor. Now, how can we do it? You can choose whether customer account and documents access are available to everyone or restricted to invite users only, and to do so, go to your website's configuration, then settings, and navigate to the general section. Under customer account, select one of the following options. On an invitation, customers can only create an account if the website owner sent them an invitation, and free sign up. Every website visitor can create an account and sign in. They will get an access to the portal by default. Now, to send them an invitation link or to a customer, you simply have to go to your website's e-commerce customers and select a customer or click new to create a new one. Ensuring an email address is set, and then click the action settings icon next to the record name at the top left and select grant portal access. In the portal access management pop-up, click grant access to send the invitation. And just like that, you have allowed an invitation. Once done, the customers receive an email confirming their account creation, including instructions on setting password and activating their account. So it's very simple. Now, when you select free sign up, a clickable "Don't have an account" link appears under the login form on the website. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.